The other night I was in bed, tossing and turning, and I couldn't go to sleep, when I remembered that meditation was a thing. Mind you, I don't know a thing about meditation. All I know is that my Apple Watch used to flip out twice a day, telling me to breathe. So on this fateful night, I did what my Apple Watch told me to do. I breathed in for 5 seconds, held my breath for 5 seconds, and exhaled for 5 seconds. Now, let me tell you, I'm a good breather. In fact, I was born knowing how to breathe. My middle name is Inhale. I mean, watch this. This didn't actually calm me down. Instead, my whole body was more awake than it's ever been. And in the darkness of my room, I swear I saw the king of meditation, Buddha, reaching his hand out to me. Now, I know people aren't meditating to be energized. They meditate to chill out. Why else would moms go to hot yoga? To get energized? Hell no. And hot yoga is a real thing. The people aren't hot. I mean, they could be, but it's just yoga in a hot room. Imagine if you had other sports in hot rooms, like swimming but in a hot tub, or high jumping but in hot weather, because maybe they'll slip or something. Actually, they're wearing shoes so they won't slip. Get out! Before I roll the intro, you know you can skip it, right? That's why I add chapters. My viewer retention should not be looking like this. Anyway, roll the intro. Meditation, or as I like to call it, chilling, is an art form. Hence the title of the video. What is meditation, you ask? Meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique, such as mindfulness, or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity, to train attention and awareness, and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. Meditation can reduce stress, anxiety, depression, and pain, and enhance peace, perception, self-concept, and well-being. But how does one meditate? Well, first one must sit in a cross-legged position. It's very important that you put your arms up in this position and do an OK sign with your fingers, and stay in this position. Many thoughts will be rushing through your mind. To get these out of your mind, imagine a field, and each thought as a cloud as it travels through your mind. What should I eat for dinner? War is bad. My butt itches. No, it really itches. But the YouTuber told me to stay in this position. Holy shit, it itches. Did I turn the oven off? Now that your mind is clear, focus on your breathing, and that's it. Just sit and focus on your breathing. But if you want to chill, you do exactly the same thing, but have the Big Lebowski playing in the background. Anyway, before you meditate, you should sub.